This video will demonstrate the recommended process on how to brew coffee on the ICB Infusion Series machine. With the Smart Funnel option, the brewer will automatically read the RFID chip in the funnel to automatically match the brew batch size to the grinder batch size. Begin each brew cycle with a clean empty brew funnel. Insert a bund filter into the funnel. Pour or grind fresh coffee into the filter and level the bed of grounds by lightly shaking. Slide the funnel into the funnel rails of the selected side until it stops. Place an empty server under the funnel. Ensure Enable Brew On Off switch is in the on position. Select the desired batch size. Smart Funnel option will detect automatically. Momentarily press and release the brew button. The display will rate now brewing and show the time remaining in the brew cycle. Following the brew will be a countdown of drip time. The display screen will read dripping and shows the time remaining. Carefully remove the brew funnel and discard the grounds and filter only after visible dripping stops.